guys, today we'll be making a really cute snow winter inspired Deco Mesh wreath. What you will need: I have this wreath ring, which is purchased at Hobby Lobby, 16 inches. I have the 21-inch Deco Mesh, and then I have these shorter Deco Mesh that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and it's 6 inches. I have a few rolls of that, and then I have these really pretty glitter ornaments, and then I have some glitter snowflake ornaments as well. You can use whatever embellishments you choose. Just have fun with it and make it your own. You will also need scissors and some floral wire. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Deco Mesh, and you could definitely double this up. I usually do that sometimes, but I don't think I'm going to do that this time. I'm just going to take the Deco Mesh, roll it into a nice little point like this. Well, I need to lift up all of my chenille stems actually before I get started, because that'll just make the entire process that much faster. So just like that. Alright, so I take my piece of Deco Mesh, I'm going to place it down and twist it a couple of times. I'm going to pull, make a nice poof, and place it down. So I'll pull again, make a nice poof, and twist it. Just like that. And I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around the outer ring, and then do the exact same thing on the inner ring. The size of the poofs, that's completely up to you. And again, don't forget, you can double up the Deco Mesh if you choose to do so. Okay, so when I come back around to the first stem, I'm going to untwist, make a poof, and then twist it back. So you have the option of cutting the Deco Mesh here and then starting over the same way on the inner ring. Since I still have a nice amount of Deco Mesh on the roll, I'm just going to continue on. So all I'm going to do is make another poof, but this time I'm going to go over to the next inner ring. So I go from this outer stem to the inner stem. Cut away the excess, and then just tuck it away. Then we'll fluff up each of our poofs to make sure they're nice and poofy. The bigger the loops, the more fluff you're going to get. Now we are going to add in the blue Deco Mesh. So I've cut the blue Deco Mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I'm just going to roll at a diagonal, just like that, and place it down. I think I'm going to do 2 pieces, and I think I'm actually going to add in some white Deco Mesh. Yeah, so I'll use 2 blue pieces and 1 white piece of Deco Mesh. And the white Deco Mesh is just like the blue Deco Mesh purchased at Dollar Tree. So I have that bundle. I'm going to untwist, place it down, and then twist it back. And I'm going to go ahead and tuck it away. I know I'm not going to keep the stems visible, and I'm going to add ornaments on top of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it away. Fluff it up just like that. That looks so cute and precious. Oh, we'll do it again. And you can definitely use other colors, or if you just want to do like all blue or all white, it's completely up to you. This is your chance to just have fun with it. That, scrunch, place it down, and twist it back. And then go ahead and tuck it away. I'm going to get these bundles placed on all of my stems. Alright, so I have all the Deco Mesh in place. It's so cute and poofy. Now I'm going to add my extra embellishment. I have Ornaments and Snowflakes. So I'm thinking I may use both, but you definitely have the option of using just one or the other. But they're so cute and sparkly. I like to kind of have an idea of where I'm going to place everything. I think I'm just going to have the ornaments like right in the center. We'll go ahead and get the ornaments in place. Okay, so I have my ornament. I just cut a piece of floral wire. The length of the floral wire is completely up to you. And I'm just going to thread it through. And I'm going to twist it onto my ornament like that a couple of times. Then I'm going to find my bundle. And so you can twist this and tie the floral wire just around the bundle or around the entire wreath to the stem. Of course, it's going to be a little more sturdy if you tie it all the way around to the actual wreath ring. So I placed it all the way around and I'm just twisting the floral wire and then tuck it away. Now if you choose, you can definitely just hot glue the ornaments in place, but I like to have them where they can move around a little bit. So thread it through, and we're just going to do this step for all of our ornaments. So I twisted ornament through. I'm taking it all the way around the entire ring. Let's see if I can show you. Just like that. And I'm twisting it. I'm twisting the floral wire just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then tuck it away. Just like that. So I'm going to do this with all of my ornaments. Now, again, you can place ornaments on the outer ring if you'd like to. I just decided to place all of them on the inner ring because I thought it looked so cute and precious. Alright, so I have all of the ornaments in place. They look so cute and precious. So this is what they look like. Now I'm going to add the snowflakes. I'm actually going to just cut off the hanger. So I have my floral wire and I'm just going to, like you see, I took it around. And you could get the floral wire in a silver color that matches your color scheme. But I don't have any on hand, so I'm just going to use this. You can't really see it at all. So I just twisted it around there. It's like this at the back. And I'm just going to kind of place it in the Deco Mesh, but right on my poof. Not too far apart. And then I'm going to, you see, I'm going to twist it. And then tuck it away. And I decided to do it that way. You could definitely take some hot glue and glue it down, but I think this way will be cuter. Again, it can still move like the ornaments, and you can't really see the floral wire at all, but you can use a color that matches your color scheme. So yeah, that's how I'm going to get them placed, and you see it's attached just like that. Alright, again, I'm taking my floral wire and just taking it around my snowflake ornament, twisting it to the back. I'm going to start off doing every other because I can always go back and add more if I choose to. So I'm going to take my Deco Mesh and I'm just going to place it right through the mesh and then twist it and tuck it away. And you see, it's still very movable, but it's sturdy and secure. Alright. I'm going to get these other snowflakes placed. You can add as many or as few as you'd like. So I decided to go with like every other poof for the snowflakes, and then I have the ornaments only on the inner ring. You can add it to every poof. You can leave it off altogether. It's completely up to you. Whichever way you like to personalize it, I say go for it. But I think this is so cute and adorable. You can even add a cute little sign in the center if you choose to do so. But this is the finished product. So cute and precious. Just have fun with it and make it your own.